Hey there, welcome to Post Network Academy. In this session, we are going to explore an essential concept for data science and AI, calculating the variance of a continuous frequency distribution. Stick around, I will make this concept easy and clear for you to understand it. But before we dive into today's lesson, make sure to check out Post Network Academy on all our platforms for more valuable content in data science and AI. You can visit website, Facebook page, YouTube channel and LinkedIn page. Now, if you have data distributed across different ranges or class intervals, each with corresponding frequencies, the goal is to calculate the variance for a distribution. So let's break down the process into simple steps. You will see a table on the screen. Follow along. The table has many columns. First we have the class intervals. Next the frequency. That's how many observations fall into each class. After that, we have mid values. Thereafter, UI. After that, Fi UI, UI square, Fi UI square, where UI is the difference between the mid values and an assumed mean, and divided by the class width H. So let us find out mid value. So you will calculate mid values adding lower lower values of class interval plus upper values of class interval upon 2. So 20 plus 30 upon 2, that is 25. Next 30 plus 40 upon 2, that would be 35. 40 plus 50 upon 2, 45, and so on. The same way UI, you will subtract assumed mean from mid values and you will divide it by H. So here assumed mean is 55 and H is 10. So first value you will get by subtracting 55 from 25 and dividing it by 10. So 25 minus 55 upon 10 would be minus 30 upon 10. So that is minus 3. Second value, you will subtract 55 from 35 and you will divide it by 10. So that would be minus 2. And the same way you will get other values. Now multiply frequencies with UIs. So first value you will get 3 into minus 3, that would be minus 9. Second value 6 into minus 2, so that would be minus 10, minus 12, and other values you can get the similar way. Summation of all values, that means Fi UI, that would be 2, and in to calculate variance we will use this value. Now UI square, it is 9 because minus 3 square is 9, minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, and so on. You can get values. Now Fi UI square, so 3 into 9, 27 for a first row. 6 into 4, that is 24, so 24. 13 into 1, so that is 13, and you can calculate all the values. Now if you add all of them, so you will get 134. Now you have calculated all the columns values and uh, their sum. Now let us calculate the variance. So we have FIUI is equal to 2, FIUI square is equal to 134. Thereafter, let us see the formula of variance. So variance formula is given here. Just plug the values. So if you plug the values, so we will get variance is 222.90. So you can see that calculating variance is similar like calculating variance for a distributed frequency distribution, or you can say that discrete frequency distribution. Now we have calculated variance for a continuous frequency distribution. In earlier videos I calculated variance for discrete frequency distribution, and there is only one difference, that here in data distribution there is a class interval, and to find out value of size, or you can say that value of observations, you just add lower bound and upper bound upon 2 or mid values of class interval, and other processes are the same to calculate variance. So hope you have understood how to calculate variance of continuous frequency distribution. Thanks for watching the video.